One eternity later.
Go! The light's green, bro! Dang, Ralph's covering up. Let's see what kind of cool cars we got.
Right there.
Oh, that's fucking Alejandro's car. He's from Salamandrin. He's like a YouTuber, but like he's like a millionaire.
Jack water.
Ah, Salamandrin.
Look at this fucking, look at this tricked out bitch. For car. Blocking it.
What are you doing?
Yeah, baby.
Baby, what are you doing?
Baby, charging your phone, baby. Look at
What are you doing? Charging your phone? What are you doing? Free electricity?
So with that 370Z, damn, baby.
I'll get it. It's quite automatic.
Man, look at this crazy
Oh,
ass.
damn,
nigga.
boy. I'm getting turned.
You know he drinking lean, nigga. We're patting around the city, nigga. That fucker's lit.
That nigga's lit.
Look at this nigga walking with a 7-Eleven hot dog.
This car's gonna be trash again. It's okay, we got a red one.
You know what?
We got a red one to look at too.
We gotta wait an hour though.
Wait an hour?
Yeah.
Oh, it's at a shop.
This is gonna be interesting.
Please see.
Oh, there it is.
It's okay.
Oh, wow.
So it has been crashed. It was fixed here. Gotta slow down in front of the SB, bro. Oh no, a little bit more. Look at Datsun. Oh wow. Yeah, look at Vespa. Camaro. It's got rust. This is it.
Stand still.
The top's been. Oh, it's got a glass window though, so it means the top's been replaced. Oh, look, so you could turn.
Bundle?
Look, cause see how like none of this lines up either.
Yeah.
All this right here, look how badly it's repaired.
Oh, hit up the lift one.
Yeah, hit them up for sure. I mean, we could look at it, but
Abajo bien, yeah, right, my nigga.
that is bent like a motherfucker. So that needs to be cut out. And look at this right here.
This
This
mountain, dog.
the seam right there is split.
Look at that.
Yeah. All this right here.
Look at Fluffy Mountain. Sure. Fucking, I ain't doing this, nigga. Let's go eat.
There's nothing else to do.
True.
It's got,
Right. Well,
it's got tags.
I want to try it.
Yeah. You guys can see what the hell. We drove super far. What's this look? Like shit?
Yeah.
I was driving this piece of shit.
Piece of shit. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking getting an automatic Genesis, dog. Feel it.
That's pretty good. Good-ish. I don't know if it like dog trails though. I don't know. Do you want to get out and see if
Let me
it?
see. Stuff right here. I wanna go up. Yeah. Looks like they didn't connect all that bullshit.
Just let me know if it goes straight or not.
Damn, that body looks horrible. No, pretty straight.
Angel, test driving the car, his future car. Oh, what?
Oh. First off, oh shit.
No, yeah. Just leave it like that and then yeah. Push to start. A little less gas. Release the clutch a little bit more. There you go. Not bad, right?
Does smell like gas, nigga.
Right?
Yeah.
What gear are you in, bro?
First.
You
I
sure?
just stalled, yeah.
No, just leave it in the... I think you're able to just do that and then push to start, no?
Shit.
Just go around. Wait. Just let him go around. Oh, man. Oh, that's on camera. Oh, there's like 3 cars, bro. Look at all the cars.
Alright, that's enough.
Is it in neutral? Take it out of gear.
Oh, I stalled on neutral, nigga.
You're in gear.
I swear.
Just leave it. It's okay.
I didn't do that bad though.
Oh, not bad.
I banged a couple gears. 1, 2. Not that bad though, right?
No, not that bad.
Stopped what, 3, 4 times?
Alright, here you go.
Wasted the gas at least. I just gotta get used to that letting go on clutch on first. That's the only shit, dog. That downshifted pretty good.
There is no turn signals.
It's a piece of shit. I hope
Bro.
that red one's better.
Duh.
I hope. Bro, fucking.
The gas smells so bad.
Yeah, it does. Bro, that shit got hit by the tank, though.
Oh yeah.
You got hit by the tank.
It did, but like the thing is, like, you know how I got hit a little bit more? Like,
Yeah.
it's a little bit like worse.
Oh, that's nice.
Maybe. The truck, huh? The C10.
Oh, yup. Oh no. Well, fuck it. At least I got to test drive it.
Oh, look, now it works.
What?
Turn signals.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, this is a short. What do you feel like eating, Yuli?
I don't know.
What do we tell? So what are we telling them? We'll be back. We're gonna go look at it. Sick ass car, what?
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, huh? Look at this place. It's called the Godfather. Alright, you ready? Ah! Watch out for the beetle. All this for this. I'm just kidding. Just get this. Just get this beans, bro. Suck a 20 ass.
Mommy.
You thought you were gonna go speed. because wasting time before.
Living my best life, not today.
I want to go to sleep, dude. Watch this dude eat trash.
I don't want to eat this because then. Well, you guys know me. You guys don't know me, but he knows me. He knows. I start going like this. And
That's it. Game over.
oh yeah.
Did you see this?
I don't know. The camera got that.
So, new car. So, what do you like in new car?
I mean,
So we got pulled over in it,
no
but
project, but I mean, you gotta get pulled over, right? I mean, that tells you, it gives you
hey,
a sign.
we already got pulled over once, so that's it. No
it's
more.
fine.
No more. We won't get pulled over anymore. We just gotta fix this.
Should we just take it off?
We'll just take it off.
Might
Might as well, right?
Right?
We'll take it off at the gas station. I swear, this food just bought it at 6,000. What? What happened to your exhaust, bro?
First mod, nigga. Straight pipe, baby.
Let's
go.
Let's keep it.
Let's
No,
go.
Keep